Hey Xixvon, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is umbrella. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And what's cool about this umbrella is the fact that it has many features on here that's a little bit different than your normal umbrella in terms of the way how you guys open it and close it, and also what is actually provided inside. But you can see how when you guys first get the product, it's all nicely wrapped up in this bag. But let's take it out to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys do take it out, inside right here we do have another bag inside to hold the umbrella. And this part right here is protected. If you guys do take out the wrapper and take out this bag as well, here's what the umbrella looks like inside. I do want to mention for this bag, they do have this very nice zipper for it to open up to make it easier for you guys to put it back in afterward. And the material that's on this bag is actually very high quality when you guys do feel it. And this side right here, they do have this option for you to hang it somewhere to organize it if you guys do need to, which is pretty cool. Very, very thoughtful. But the zipper itself is actually very high quality, if you can see, and here, which is pretty cool. But right here, you can see we do have the umbrella. If you can see, the size of the umbrella is actually very small and very compact, so that way it's not wasting a lot of space when you guys are using it, and also when you guys put it away. And you can see right here, they do have a strap as well for you guys to strap it somewhere or hang it somewhere if you guys do need to. And right here, we do have the handle. So right here, we do have the button for you to push to actually open up the umbrella. Here we do have the strap to organize the umbrella to strap it back together. And then here is what it looks like on this side, and here is the side. So supposedly on the product, it does have reflective tape on here, so that way when you guys use at nighttime or in a dark setting, people can see the reflection on here, which is pretty nice. But one right now is open up and show you guys what it actually looks like. So I have to open it. If you guys can see how the umbrella is slightly different design compared to a normal umbrella, whereas like the other way. The way how designed this way is so that way when you guys do close it up or open it, the water can slide out much easier than the other way. So that way the water won't fall inside. So this actually looks like when you guys kind of pan it out. If you guys do open it, you guys want to press the button right here to open it. Just like that. And once you guys do open it, here's what the inside looks like. If you can see and hear the frame that's on here. Very sturdy and very durable. And supposedly the material that they use on here is like a waterproof or water resistant option on here, so that way the water can slide off really easily, which is pretty cool. But even for the frame that's inside, it's pretty sturdy as well. But obviously depending on how you guys hold the umbrella, the wind can still blow the inside and flip it. So you do want to be careful of any kind of umbrella you guys do get. But here's what the inside looks like when you guys do open it. And then right here is the outside. So the size of this umbrella can actually fit 2 people inside, if you can see. I'm not going to put it over my head just because of the superstition, but if you guys do use it, feel free to use it for 2 people or for yourself. If you guys do want to use it for 3 people, it probably will work as well. But definitely a very nice umbrella, if you can see. And once you guys are done using it, you guys want to press the same button to close it. You can see, very easy and very simple to use it. But for this part right here, it's not automatic, so you guys have to push it down manually. Just like that to lock it back in together. And once you guys are done that, you guys can use the strap to close it back up. So it doesn't have to be perfect. But as long as you guys can strap back in like that, then it's all set. And the other thing that I forgot to mention about this umbrella is the fact that the materials on here, it does give you guys the UPF protection as well, which is sun protection when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys use it during the rainy days or during the sunny days, it will give you guys that sun protection. But that is everything that's on the product. One right now is actually tested out underwater to show you guys whether or not it's actually water resistant or water repellent. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the umbrella. What I do is to turn on the water, and then we'll test out to show you guys whether or not it's actually water repellent or water resistant. So let's turn on the water first. And now let's run it underneath it. Let's turn off the water. So you see how the water kind of stays on, but when you guys kind of like just fan it out, it should cut off really easy since it is water repellent, you can see. If it's not water repellent, you guys can see how the water just kind of like stays on and kind of absorbs in, but doesn't really absorb in. It kind of just stays on there. So for example, if I just get like a piece of paper or towel to wipe it down, you can see how easy it just comes off. So definitely it is water repellent or water resistant, you can see. And just to give you guys an idea of how big the actual umbrella is when you guys do open it, here's what it actually looks like on this side. Let me flip it around and show you the other side as well. So when you guys flip it to the other side, here is our side. So definitely very big, you can see. And once you guys close it up, it'll look something like this. So that way it can stand up by itself and let it dry much easier, because the slide can actually fall off easier for the liquid or the water that's on there. Compared to a normal umbrella, it won't stand out like this, and it'll be harder and take a little bit longer for it to dry. So very nice design if you see. Welcome back guys. So nice so quick test of product and definitely she does work and she worked quite well. If you see how when we do test it under the water, all the water just slides off really easily, which is really cool, especially during like the rainy season when it does rain. And the other thing that I forgot to mention earlier is the fact that for the actual umbrella itself, if you see how it is a black color, they do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality portable handheld umbrella to use anytime at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling or whatever, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.